How many of us have a close friend or family member who have been suffering the effects of cancer? According to the Canadian Cancer Society, 2 in 5 Canadians will be diagnosed with a cancer in their lifetime, and 1 in 4 will die from it. Approximately every 28 minutes, one Canadian is diagnosed with a blood cancer, such as leukemia or lymphoma. Leukemia and lymphoma alone account for almost half of the cancer cases in children ages 0 to 14. Not only is it difficult to watch a loved one battling with the effects of cancer, it is so hard to watch them battling the side effects of their cancer treatment. Many cancer treatments today cannot differentiate between healthy and cancer cells, and thus side effects can occur as a result. Some common side effects of these treatments include organ failure, nausea and vomiting, hair loss, and even the formation of a secondary cancer. In Dr. Pandy's research lab, we are studying natural alternatives to cancer therapies. We are focusing our attention on the effect that natural health products can have on cancer cells, specifically Hodgkin lymphoma cells. Some plants, including white tea and olive leaf, have been shown through anecdotal evidence to promote health and treat illnesses. For example, white tea has been shown to increase cardiovascular function, reduce cholesterol, and decrease blood pressure. However, research has not been done on these anti-cancer effects. In our research, both white tea and olive leaf were extracted using 3 different solvents: cold water, hot water, and 100% ethanol. These extracts were then passed through a series of filters, and stock concentrations were made, which were used to treat the lymphoma cells. A WST1 assay was used to measure the metabolic function of these cells following the treatment of white tea and olive leaf extracts. This assay was used to determine whether or not the extracts were toxic to cells, the concentration and time point to which they were effective. We found that the water extracts of the white tea were very effective in reducing the viability of the lymphoma cells. Although the ethanolic extracts of the olive leaf did in fact reduce the viability of the lymphoma cells, it was not as effective as the white tea. These results will provide us with an avenue to move forward in the development of non-toxic alternatives to cancer treatments. Future studies will need to be performed on these extracts to determine their anti-cancer properties, both alone and in combination with one another. It is truly an honor to be part of such a rewarding research team with rewarding results. Hopefully, these results will be beneficial and will promote the development of non-toxic alternatives to current cancer therapies.